Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I haven't done a cooking video for a long time. So, cooking dinner tonight, I thought maybe I would share what's for dinner. Now, if you don't like cabbage and you don't like corned beef or bacon, then this recipe is not for you. But we love cabbage and this is so yummy. So I take about a pound of bacon and I slice it up and I throw it in a large skillet and I brown it. And I want it done crispy but not hard. So I'm gonna also take a full head of cabbage and I'm going to slice it up into bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to use a large head of cabbage. You can use red cabbage, green cabbage, it doesn't matter. And a can, and this is 12 ounces of corned beef. It could be Hormel. This is Walmart brand, it's just as good. And I have the worst time with those keys trying to open up these stupid cans. So my bacon is done. I'm going to add my cabbage. Now there's half of it. So add a full head because your cabbage is going to cook down. So after you get all your cabbage in, give it a good stir and coat that cabbage well with all that bacon grease that you left in the skillet. That's why you don't want to drain your bacon. You want that flavoring. So add your can of corned beef on the top and go ahead and mix that in thoroughly with your cabbage. Now you're going to put a lid on it and about a half a cup of water to help getting it to steam. And you want your cabbage to be tender, not soggy, but tender. It doesn't take that long. And I'm not kidding, this is so yummy. And I didn't have the right size lid because my lid broke. So I made do with this and it worked just fine. So here it's all done and this is so good. Your cabbage, your bacon, and your corned beef. If you have leftover corned beef after St. Patty's Day, use it in a recipe like this. And it is so good, so easy, and it's really a perfect dish for fall and an easy one-pot dish. And that's how I like to cook, a one-pot meal. So go ahead and dish it up and enjoy. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a good day. We'll see you soon. Love you guys, and bye for now.